Hacking often sounds mysterious or dangerous. Many people think of criminals, but hacking is really about understanding systems. It means finding ways systems work. Sometimes it means finding ways they can be made to do new things. True hacking is a skill. It can be used for many different purposes. Some of these purposes are good, others are not. Malicious hacking is what most people fear. This is often called black hat hacking. Black hat hackers break into systems without permission. They might steal information or cause disruption. Ethical hacking is very different. This is white hat hacking. White hat hackers have permission to test systems. They report vulnerabilities so they can be fixed. You might think that to dive into the world of hacking, you need a high-end, powerful computer setup. It's a common belief that serious hacking requires these powerful machines with multiple screens and advanced hardware. But what if I told you that your Android phone is a surprisingly good starting point for learning hacking? This small device, which fits right in your pocket, is actually a powerful computer in its own right. The beauty of this is that it allows you to learn and practice hacking anytime and anywhere, whether you're at home, on the bus, or even at a cafe. Android phones come equipped with a secret weapon for aspiring hackers. Their operating system is based on the Linux kernel, which is the same foundation used by many professional hackers. Linux is the preferred operating system for many hackers due to its flexibility, security, and open-source nature. Because Android shares this Linux foundation, many of the tools and concepts used in Linux hacking can be directly applied to your phone. You can even run special apps that create a Linux-like environment on your Android device, giving you access to powerful tools. This effectively turns your phone into a versatile learning tool, perfect for those on a budget or always on the move. Using your Android phone for hacking is not only practical, but also cost-effective. You don't need to invest in expensive equipment or high-end computers to get started. Many educational apps and resources available on the Android platform are free or significantly cheaper than traditional courses. This democratizes the learning process, making hacking skills accessible to a broader audience, regardless of their financial situation. Before you even think about hacking tools, build a strong foundation. This foundation is crucial because it will support all your future learning and hacking endeavors. Without a solid understanding of the basics, you'll find yourself lost and unable to progress effectively. Understanding basic concepts is key. These concepts form the building blocks of your knowledge. They are the principles that will guide you through more complex topics and challenges. Start with how the internet works. The internet is a vast network of interconnected devices, and understanding its structure is essential. Learn about the different components that make up the internet and how they interact with each other. Learn about IP addresses and DNS. IP addresses are like the postal addresses of the internet, and DNS is the system that translates human-friendly domain names into IP addresses. This knowledge is fundamental for navigating and understanding the internet. Know how websites are delivered using HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP is the protocol used for transferring web pages, while HTTPS adds a layer of security by encrypting the data. Understanding these protocols is crucial for web security. Next, dive into basic networking concepts. Networking is the backbone of the internet, and understanding how networks operate will give you a deeper insight into how data is transmitted and received. The internet is a giant network of computers. These computers communicate with each other using various protocols and technologies. Understanding this global network is essential for any aspiring hacker. Learn about ports and protocols. Ports are like doors that data can use to enter and leave a computer, and protocols are the rules that govern this data exchange. Knowing about these will help you understand how different services and applications communicate. TCP/IP is a core protocol suite. It is the foundation of internet communication, and understanding its layers and functions is crucial for network security and hacking. Knowing how data packets travel is important. Data packets are the units of data that are transmitted over the internet, and understanding their journey will help you analyze and secure network traffic. An introduction to operating systems is also vital. Operating systems are the software that manage computer hardware and software resources. Knowing how they work will help you understand how to exploit vulnerabilities. Since many hacking tools run on Linux, get familiar with it. Linux is a powerful and flexible operating system that is widely used in the hacking community. Learning Linux will give you access to a wide range of tools and capabilities. Knowing how operating systems work helps you understand how they can be exploited. By understanding the inner workings of an operating system, you can identify and exploit weaknesses in its design and implementation. These fundamentals are more important than any single tool. Tools come and go, but the underlying principles of technology remain constant. A strong foundation in these principles will serve you well throughout your hacking journey. Tools change quickly, but the underlying principles of technology change slowly. Staying up to date with the latest tools is important, but a deep understanding of the fundamentals will always be your greatest asset. Take your time to learn these core ideas well. Mastering the basics will give you the confidence and knowledge to tackle more advanced topics and challenges in the future. Remember, a strong foundation is the key to success in the world of hacking. Linux is an operating system, like Windows or macOS, but it is open source and very flexible. Many security professionals and hackers prefer Linux. Understanding Linux is very helpful for ethical hacking. Its command line interface is particularly important. You can get a Linux-like environment on your Android phone. An app called Termux is very popular for this. Termux gives you a terminal and lets you install many Linux packages. Start by learning basic Linux commands in Termux. Practice them regularly. They are the building blocks for more complex tasks. The more comfortable you become with the command line, the more powerful you will be. Your Android phone with Termux is a perfect place to start this learning. With your foundational knowledge, you can explore hacking concepts. Your Android phone can help you understand these. One key concept is network scanning. This means finding live computers on a network. It also involves discovering open ports and services running on them. Learning this helps you understand how attackers map out targets. Another important area is vulnerability assessment. This is the process of identifying weaknesses. Ethical hackers find these flaws to help fix them. On Android, you can study common vulnerability types. Web application security is also a vast field. Learning how websites work is important. Understand common web attacks like SQL injection or cross-site scripting, (KSS). Knowing web vulnerabilities is essential for modern ethical hacking. When learning to hack on Android, focus on educational tools. Your goal is to learn, not to cause harm. Many apps can help you understand concepts safely. Termux, as mentioned, is your primary environment. It lets you install packages that can teach you. For example, you can install Python. Then you can write simple scripts to automate tasks or learn network programming concepts. Look for network analysis apps that teach. Some apps can show you network traffic on your own Wi-Fi network. Capture the flag, CTF. Challenges are excellent for learning. Many CTF platforms are accessible via your Android browser. They present you with puzzles and challenges designed to teach specific hacking skills. Consider apps that teach programming. Focus on tools that build your understanding. Hacking without permission is illegal. It's not just a minor infraction, it's a breach of trust and security that can have far-reaching consequences. It is a serious crime in most countries, often leading to severe penalties. The law is clear and strict to protect individuals and organizations from unauthorized intrusions. Unauthorized access is against the law. This means accessing systems or data without permission is not only unethical, but also punishable by law. You can face fines, jail time, and a criminal record. These consequences can impact your future, affecting job prospects and personal freedom. Always remember this before you try anything. Consider the long-term implications of your actions and choose the path of integrity. Only practice your skills on systems you own or on systems where you have explicit written permission to test. This ensures that your actions are both legal and ethical. This is the golden rule of ethical hacking. Following this rule not only keeps you on the right side of the law, but also builds trust with those you work with. Explicit permission means someone in authority has told you it is okay, and they have defined what you are allowed to do. This clarity prevents misunderstandings and legal issues. There are safe zones for practicing your skills. These environments are designed to help you learn and grow without crossing legal boundaries. You can set up your own virtual lab on your computer. This allows you to experiment and hone your skills in a controlled, risk-free setting. Online platforms like Hack the Box or Try Hack Me provide labs. These platforms offer a variety of challenges that simulate real-world scenarios, helping you to develop your abilities. These are legal and safe environments. They provide a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to learning and ethical practice. Ethical hacking is a respected profession. It requires a deep understanding of technology and a commitment to using that knowledge responsibly. Keep your activities legal and ethical at all times. By doing so, you contribute to a safer digital world and earn the respect of your peers and employers. To truly learn, you need to practice. But this practice must be safe and legal. Setting up a personal lab is a great way to start. You can use virtualization software on a computer, create virtual machines with older, vulnerable operating systems, or install applications known to have security flaws like DVWA. You can then access these from your Android phone over your local network. Online platforms offer excellent practice environments. Websites like Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, and VulnHub are popular. They offer a wide range of challenges. Documenting your learning and practice is very helpful. Keep notes on what you learn. These safe environments are crucial. They let you try things that would be illegal elsewhere. The world of cybersecurity is always changing. New technologies emerge constantly. New vulnerabilities are discovered every day. Attackers develop new techniques. This means your learning journey never truly ends. To be an effective ethical hacker, you must commit to continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest threats and defenses. There are many online resources to help you learn. Read security blogs and news websites. Follow respected security researchers on social media. Joining ethical hacking communities can be very beneficial. Online forums allow you to ask questions. Connecting with like-minded individuals provides support. Stay curious, stay ethical, and stay safe.